Morning, South Croydon allotments, 20th of July 2025, starting at the active compost bin on plot 6. Some tools of the trade, and this is after the rain, and more expected today. So, for example, all the leeks have perked up. Look at that, they're all standing up now saying, thank you very much, we needed that. Everything else just looks refreshed. So you can see the potatoes there. I've not touched the Wilgers yet. They're still looking pretty perky. I'll see a few spuds sticking through where the rain has washed the earth off, so I'll get that covered up soon. So, spinach, different sort of spinach has gone to seed, doesn't like the weather. I'm picking these beetroot here, and the courgette field. Been picking them, giving them away. Look at that lovely, beautiful flower on there. Courgette flower, or zucchini if you're American. These are the last of the leeks I'm going to transplant this morning. Carrots are looking very healthy. No sign of carrot fly this year so far, he says. Another sowing of kale. I'll transplant it to its final bed at some stage. And that selection of beetroot, radishes. That looks like rocket there, possibly. These leeks didn't do so well when I transplanted them. I didn't take the tops off these ones. I just trimmed the tails. So I've got some of the other ones in this bed to make up the bed. Something here. Ah, they have germinated now. Whatever that is. I can't remember what it is. Not a very good germination. Could be a dodgy piece of ground. The sweet corn are now looking very healthy, but no cobs yet. Although after seeing other sites yesterday, I now know not to worry. Lots of people's sweet corn haven't got cobs on, especially if you planted them out a bit later like I did. But all the signs are good. The feathers are there, so there will be sweet corn. And this is a giant sunflower reaching up for the sunshine. That's the best one I've got this year. Quite a lot of the others have been quite small. So there you go, it's a general view of number 6. And now move across to 29. This is the other plot. This is the wildlife area. Poppies have good have finished this year. That is a callaloo, self-sown. All over this bit of the plot we have callaloo. Sweet corn here, a little bit bigger, different variety to the other plot. Again, no feathers, no cobs. Squashes sown straight into the ground. Onions, not wonderful this year on this bit. Nice weed, get rid of that. And that one, and that one. Tomatoes. Some sort of butternut squash. Second sowing of runner beans. And that's leeks. So I can transplant some more there. This was the first sowing of onions for sets. They're much healthier. Not as big as last year, but still quite respectable. See another weed there. Let's get that weed. Got it. And here we have more callaloo and more squashes starting to form there now. A Again, look at those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flowers. You can see they run for miles and miles and miles. Courgettes here, I've been picking them and giving them away. You won't see many there, but you've got to pick every day. That's cucumber, picking those as well. A couple of sour ones. More sweet corn. More courgettes. And this is some sort of summer squash, quite late in the ground, so give it a chance. And this was the first sowing of the runner beans. Unfortunately, because of the hot weather, the beans flowers have dropped off. It's been too hot. I see I've got a great flush of flowers there, so I'm hoping now the weather's cooled a little bit, we are going to get some beans. That's an impressive flush up there, so let's just leave them for the time being. There are a few beans in there, but not as many as I would expect. And the nasturtiums have picked up after all that rain. They're actually looking more perky now. And at the back, yes, you've guessed it, that's a cucumber. There's a couple of courgettes at the back, and then there's more squashes. I can see some forming there, and a bigger one. And that one's gone rotten. I'm going to pick that one off to the end. Totally rotten. Get rid of that. It just fell off. That's it. Absolutely mouldy, mouldy, mouldy. The others are looking quite healthy in there. There you go. General view of 29. And happy birthday, happy 14th birthday to Archie. See you later.